We saw you in your little pineapple head shape walking up the hill. I said, "It goes to bars. Let's get it."
Come on, bro.
So you wouldn't be moaning if she got out and got you, right? What's the difference?
Pretty. I would have loved it too.
I'm pretty.
Shit, pretty.
Yeah, stop hitting your mom.
Then tell me your stuff for real, bro. Straight up, Gene, bro.
Let me holler at you. Let me holler at you.
No. To be friends.
Yeah.
That's fine. Maybe once you're like out of here.
On July 11th, 2023, plainclothes officers in Athens, Georgia, spotted an 18-year-old subject with an outstanding domestic violence warrant. A 30-minute street encounter followed, producing 3 felony drug charges and raising 2 serious constitutional questions that could define the prosecution. 3 legal issues define this footage: constructive possession of the backpack, Miranda timing, and the scope of the search incident to arrest. The warrant was constitutionally clean. A judge had already established probable cause before officers approached, and that issue is not in dispute.
Twin, get your stuff.
We'll get your stuff.
That is.
All right. Well, we'll get it in a second.
Central 388. We're field 9. We're in custody with Bar.
What you doing on this side of park or this side of town? So this is your stuff?
They are also wanting her bar.
Huh?
But they do not want to press charges.
Tell him this your stuff, Gene.
You want to go to jail too?
1400.
You had this and you dropped it. You was holding it, man.
That's not my stuff, dude.
Well, you was holding the book bag.
Gene, tell him that's your bro. He just said that was his stuff.
Sorry, Jabbar.
Gene, so you gonna do that for her? Go ahead and tell the truth, bro. Tell him that's your stuff, Gene.
He don't want to take the
Gene, tell him it's your stuff for real, bro. Straight up, Gene, bro.
Let me holler at you. Let me holler at you real quick, man. Come here.
Keep
Come
it straight out, Gene.
What's your name?
Straight up,
Centerio? Okay, look. Do you know what's in this bag? If you can tell me what's in it and you want to take ownership to it, you can go to jail too. But you gotta tell me what's in this bag because I saw him holding it. Some weed, what else?
Just keep it real with him, bro. Tell him.
That's it? That's not good enough, bro.
That
ain't it.
For real, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
You want to take the rap for that? Look, you're thinking hard about it.
That his stuff, bro.
It ain't just weed in there, though. He just thinks it's weed. That ain't it.
That's his stuff, bro. He know he had in the book bag.
It's your call.
I mean, it ain't. He was carrying the book bag and dropped
He know
it.
he had in the book bag, straight up.
Let me see it.
I ain't even opened up that book bag not one time. Straight up.
Wow. Ooh, I like those. Hard times. Is that a new tattoo?
Yeah.
It's fitting.
You told him the truth, James.
88 Central. I didn't.
You straight, bro. I'm gonna get my money, get you out, bro. You ain't got to worry about it. You straight. You my cuz.
Back, driver's side. Back, driver's side.
So look, why y'all happy?
You got a warrant.
Warrant for what, bro?
For,
Hey, bro, you
I think it was
always,
some
bro, you like
family violence stuff, man. What, talking about doing my job?
No, it
You
ain't.
know it ain't nothing personal, man.
Ain't nothing about that, bro. Come on.
We get people with warrants, man. We saw you in your little pineapple head shape walking up the hill. I said, "It goes to bars. Let's get
Come
it."
on, bro.
What? I didn't expect to see you over here. Changed the name to Riggs Life. This other dude was walking. He don't want no part of it now.
Who?
Whoever y'all had, there was another dude. You got anything in your pocket, Jabbar? A little stack of money. Oh, some more weed. The same weed that's in that book bag.
Give my money that money.
Nah.
Let me see how much it is. Let me see how much it is.
This my money. Gene, just give my girl that money. I think it ain't nothing up in there. It ain't nothing up in there. It's not. It's
Probably
just like
a
that.
little half a blunt in there.
It's not, man.
Same stuff in his pocket.
What is this? take you for a user, man.
It ain't my stuff.
It's in your pocket, wrapped up with your IDs.
So that ain't my stuff.
Alright.
Sit right here.
Really ain't a whole lot of shade. You can sit right here in the shade if you want, man.
Oh, you gonna call my stuff? Alright.
Where's your phone at? It ain't in that pocket. It ain't in that pocket neither.
So his ID and another little bag of that stuff.
So
is in
both
that
he
pocket.
has two IDs then?
Yeah, he's got another ID in that pocket. Well, you want to go right here?
Where's his phone at? He can call somebody real quick, but I think we're gonna take the phone.
Ain't you got my phone?
I never got your phone. Is it in the bag? Is it in that bag?
I need to see one in that bag. What is this?
Yeah, that's your
Go
girl. So
ahead, take your stuff, bro. Straight up, bro. Take your charge, bro. Your stuff, you.
You want to take that? And the AirPods?
Yeah.
You saw him holding it, right? Yeah. So
He dropped the book bag so he can turn around. Look at young Jabars.
young Jabbar.
yeah, man.
Huh?
We
He said all this.
He said the
stuff
weed's
is-
his.
The other stuff not mine, sir.
What other stuff you talking about?
None of that book bag is mine. None of them packs is mine.
No.
Straight up.
If you could show me some kind of evidence or something, man, that would say it's not. But look, man, we saw you carrying it up the hill. Even if he says it's his, man, we saw you carrying it up the hill.
Straight up, bro. Gene, you straight.
We got somebody
Teddy,
coming.
fuck you, bro.
But look,
You
dude,
already-
even if you're trying to take the rap for him, I get it. That's super
Ain't not take no
noble
rap.
of
It's
you.
not
But
it's
at
not
the
no
same
take
time,
no
like,
rap. He already telling you.
but I saw you with it. I saw you with it. You got the same package
This where we're
in
at,
your
sir.
pockets.
You're not going to jail. I don't care if you try to take the rap for it. You're not going to jail.
That's just where we're at, man. With the evidence that we got right now.
Like, you ain't got to worry about now. I just told you. Like, you ain't got to worry
Sorry,
about
man.
it.
I know that's your boy and all, but we're not going to take you to jail just because you're trying to help your boy out.
Gene, bro,
It don't work like that. Even if he's keeping it real, Jabbar's the evidence. We don't have any evidence on him. You have everything on you. You got some of these in your pocket?
No,
Exactly. Is that his phone in your pocket?
No.
You don't even know where your phone's at?
Can you please give him back my property, my card, my ID, my money and stuff, please?
Well, the ID, we're going to take the card. If you want to turn over to him, you can give the card to him. That's up to you. And we can...
I
how many
got-
IDs
my
you
ID.
got, man? You got 4 IDs.
Cause I got, when they asked me why I got to show my ID.
You don't got to show them 4.
And I
Who
got
is this?
My cousin property. That's the one y'all got last time. I showed y'all.
If you want to give them those, we're going to take these
and
2
that's
just
my
to show
ID
that...
right there too. It's 3 on them. No, it's
All right, so look.
one more. And there's one
Jabbar.
more.
This was the one that was in the other pocket.
Can you please
Another
give my
Jabbar.
property,
You can have them that. He can't get the back.
No, I'm
Jabbar's.
saying my money, sir.
He can have this. How much money was
sir.
it?
How much money was it?
I thought to you about it.
Okay. You got a cigarette on you or anything?
Go buy me a cigarette.
I got one in the car you can have.
Can you please grab?
You got him for a second?
Yeah.
Hey, Jabars, what about this? I know. You want to take it with you?
Yeah. Comes to Rolling Reed. Alright. What's your 20?
Can you please give me my property, please?
I don't know what property you're
I'm
talking about.
my money. You said you.
He wanted to talk to me about something, so we'll see what.
Y'all, whatever y'all.
So there's an intent to distribute charge to be made
Sure.
with the amount of marijuana and the packaging and all that, and the scale, the amount of pills.
That's not my property, so y'all can't say I'm intensive with nothing. If that's not my property, sir.
It may not be, but man, we work off of probable cause, and there is enough probable cause to say that it is. The money was in your pocket. Same with the bag, the same bags that are in that book bag that you were holding.
The first contested issue is the backpack. Officers assert they watched the subject carry it up a hill, then drop it as they close the distance. Georgia Code Section 16-13-30 does not require the state to prove the defendant was physically holding contraband at the moment of seizure. Constructive possession requires proof that the defendant knowingly had the power and the intention to exercise control over the substance, even without direct physical contact. The prosecution rests on 2 pillars: eyewitness testimony of the subject holding the bag, and matching packaging recovered from his own pocket during the arrest search. A dropsy challenge would argue the drop was not voluntary abandonment, but a reflexive response to a sudden police approach. In California versus Hodari D., 1991, the Supreme Court held that property dropped during pursuit may be treated as abandoned. But the subject here did not flee. Without flight, the voluntariness of the drop is a contested factual question that belongs to a jury, not to the arresting officer. The second issue is Miranda timing. The subject was in custody the moment officers identified him on the warrant. He was not free to leave. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, officers must advise a person in custody of their rights before interrogation begins. The custody threshold is not the application of handcuffs. It is whether a reasonable person in the same position would feel free to terminate the encounter and walk away. That advisement did not come until 18 minutes into the encounter, after extended conversation about the bag, the drugs, and the subject's awareness of their contents. Pre-Miranda custodial statements are presumptively inadmissible under the exclusionary rule established in Mapp v. Ohio, 1961. A suppression motion is predictable, and the prosecution would carry the burden of proving those statements were non-testimonial or played no role in building the case. On the search, officers were on solid constitutional ground. Under Chimel v. California, 1969, a search incident to a lawful arrest covers the person of the arrestee and the area within his immediate control. Every item recovered from his pockets falls squarely within that doctrine. Critically, a controlled substance commingled with his own identification eliminates any credible claim of unknowing possession.
These are for people that are going to jail, man, that are being cool with me. Jabbar said he didn't make his run today.
I ain't got nothing to run for y'all folk.
You sure as hell didn't think that last time.
I'm not running for y'all for me. And last time, I ain't even run for you. I ain't even know who the you was. Y'all folk getting out of normal shit, bro. Come on, bro.
There's a clue right there.
But y'all always doing it, jumping out of normal.
You saw a police car coming right now. You wouldn't turn the other way?
From nobody. I'm standing right here, bro. Straight up.
All right.
It's I'm running from nobody. No, bro. Straight up. I ain't did.
But you got a warrant, though.
I'm saying, though, like, what? For what?
It's like...
For my life.
Maybe, dude. I don't know. All we know is that a judge found probable cause to sign a warrant on you. I don't know nothing about the case.
Y'all ain't got his phone?
No,
his phone, no.
Left it. Gonna go grab it. Would you lock it in?
I left it in the car. I'm stupid as I'm stupid as
Whose car is it? Somebody lives over here?
I was making a ride.
Oh.
Yeah, chain, all my own. Everything, all my own. I thought that worked.
What you worried about?
I ain't worried about that. I just saying, y'all just being too nosy.
Nosy?
I'm saying, I got the right to talk to my cousin if I want to in person.
Well, but you're under arrest, man. You're in custody right now. We're being cool like you smoke a cigarette.
Y'all already got me in handcuffs.
I know.
Come on, so like.
But we can't just walk away and what happens if you run and fall and get hurt? That's on us. That's liability.
I ain't got nothing to run from.
Well, I'm just saying you're in custody, so if you get hurt, that's going to fall back on us. Remember last time you started having a little panic attack or whatever, so we had to call an ambulance up there and go through all that. We're going to take care of you if you're in custody, man. So if you want to chop it up with your boy while we're standing here, that's all fine.
Jim, when we go to court, just show up in court. Tell the judge that you already know it. Can I please get another cigarette?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, why every time y'all jump out on me, y'all got to...
What?
Like I'm a fugitive.
Well, you got a warrant. You're wanted.
I'm not no fugitive though. Like,
so look, man.
Y'all ride around like I'm just a big out here. I'm look.
I think you're giving yourself too much credit, man. You're giving yourself too much credit. We was riding around and we happened to see you.
Look how y'all jumping out, bro.
But
come on, bro. These folks, they not grabbing no type of roadway, no nothing.
I don't think you got anything to complain about, man. You got a warrant. We picked you up on your warrant. You didn't get no guns pointed at you. You didn't get tossed on the ground. You're getting cigarettes. We're being more than cool with you. More than most police.
Y'all not being, y'all ain't being right. But what's right?
So tell me what we're doing wrong.
Because.
So you wouldn't be moaning if she got out and got you, right? Why? What's the difference?
Pretty. I would have let her too.
I'm pretty.
I would have let her. Shit pretty.
I've been out time.
I'm saying though. Like, bro.
We were riding around and we happened to
If
see
I'm
you. It ain't
telling
like
you,
we're
if
hunting
I'm,
you
but
down
I'm
looking for
saying
you
though,
wasting
if
time.
I'm telling you this ain't my position.
But you are in possession of it. That's a hard argument to make.
But I'm not the only one in possession.
It's not. But it's not just ownership though. It's you're holding
I'm
it.
saying though, I wasn't holding nothing when you grabbed it.
You dropped it when we walked up.
But I'm saying I was not holding nothing.
Okay. Well, you had in your pocket, right?
Man.
And whatever else was in that other bag. So don't say that wasn't yours either. You still got that cigarette? Well, hit it.
So wait, you gonna let?
What you want to do with that cash? You want to get it booked in with you, or you want to give it to your partner here?
Look.
All right. When he's done with that cigarette, he's good to go.
Okay.
Sorry.
Man, boy, I knew I should have turned down the deal, bro. Man, stupid, boy. I'm stupid and calm, boy. I would have been
Alright, bro. You
on
got
a jet right now, boy. I'm on one, bro.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, an adult now.
You're talking about being on a jet. How you gonna be on a jet? I've heard your music. It ain't from that.
Y'all got a pen? You got a pen?
Do you want a piece of paper?
Yeah.
I didn't see anybody jumping into the roadway between King Avenue and the call location.
I'll write it down.
What you want me to ride it, dude? You're struggling.
He's good.
How much was it?
It's like 100 something, like $200.
I just separated it out, took pictures of it.
See, now you're giving yourself too much credit. We're not that interested.
It ain't no credit. I just got my personal right. I got my this my personal business.
All right, Jabars. Time to rock and roll.
Did you tell them that we were out with the junior? Not the senior?
Senior's in jail.
Oh, they were asking were you out with junior or
Who my
senior?
daddy?
Senior.
Y'all gonna put me in the same room with my daddy? Like
We don't have any. We don't have any
Y'all
say on
did it
that.
last time. They just show how the system is though. Oh, y'all put me in the room with my daddy and my uncle.
How's that up?
They
You don't want to be in there?
No, I ain't
Then tell them
saying
you don't
that.
want
I'm
to.
just saying they just show how the system is, bro. I'm sorry. They up, bro. I think I want to see my daddy incarcerated while I'm incarcerated. No. Come on, bro. Come on.
Hello.
Bro.
What's up? Hey,
Up, bro.
are you straight, bro?
Man, I'm straight, bro. These folks trying to pick me up on some bullshit. Talking about some goddamn. What y'all trying to charge me with?
You had a warrant for like domestic stuff. It was like
Fine, man.
Yeah. Mexican violence, bullshit.
it was something with his mom, I
These
guess.
folks
I don't know.
jumping out.
You gotta stop hitting your mom.
I ain't took my money out one time, man.
I've been on
Man,
3
me and
domestic
the
calls
only-
with
the
you.
The only thing me and my mom do is argue. I'm gonna keep real. My mom so low down, she'll call the police and lie. That's all she do.
Well, you're 18, man. You can move out there and stay away from her.
I know, and I did, but
If that's what's getting you in trouble, you just need to stay away.
She still filed. She still filed for me, get taxed for me, do a lot of stuff for me.
Well, she
So
can now that you're 18 if you don't live
I still
there.
got to go through her at some point. So like, come on.
You still with that girl you were seeing a year ago?
What girl y'all was seeing a year ago?
You were staying at her place.
Only place I was
Wasn't like
staying,
Winder or something.
The only place I was staying with was my sister-in-law. I wasn't staying with no girl.
You ready to go? No, let's go.
This shit sleep. Hold me.
I'm going to my car. This side.
Wow. Hell, bro.
Just put your tummy right here. I said your tummy.
You get 5 minutes. Yeah.
5 minutes of what?
Two,
Airplane?
hotel, golf,
Airplane.
Charlie,
Oh,
Lee,
with air.
Alpha,
Sure.
50, Juliet.
You'd rather be in the heat than.
So do I got a bond or what? Y'all tell me
You likely don't have a bond.
Oh.
It's probably gonna be a no.
So when is I'm being booked?
All right, pop the squat.
Can y'all call my mom real quick for me?
Your mom?
Yeah.
For what?
I need to talk to my mom.
I'll see if they'll talk to her. If anything, you get a phone call in the jail. It ain't gonna change the outcome right now, but you do get a phone call.
We ain't got time to be going no jail.
Well, stop getting in trouble.
Let me talk to my mom, bro. Straight up.
Not right now.
I'll please talk to my mom.
Not right now. If you have a seat, I'll talk with the dude over there about getting you a phone call.
Man, tell him to come over here, bro. Like, bro, okay, bro. No, bro.
All right, sit down. Come on. Pop a squat.
Can y'all please keep? I have my 5 minutes still ain't up.
It definitely been up.
Bro, can you please call my mom, bro? Straight up.
It's not gonna be me who does it. It would be. He wants you to call his mom. All right.
So it's been sent to the jail. You might print it off when you get there. Jabbar should be in charge of possession with intent for marijuana, methamphetamine, and MDMA.
Sheesh. All right, pop a squat.
If you don't mind sending it up for approval.
What MDNA is? What that is?
It's little pills. I can talk to you more about it, but I have to read your Miranda rights.
Like I just said, bro. If he just said this, like, bro, why is he in trial?
We got what we got. Fair fight in the court, Jabbar.
Y'all folks just want to try me.
All right, come on, have a seat.
You please call my mom.
We'll call your mom on the way.
Bro, you check out. Y'all got out of phone. Y'all got out of the car with 2 phones.
Bars, get in there.
Come on, have a seat. We'll call her. If you sit down, we'll call her.
Okay, I sit down, but I'm not.
Sit down and like get in.
30. Like, come on, bro.
Okay, I had 2 puppies back there.
Sir, it's 30.
Well, I don't worry about that.
Other side.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Look, it's 30. I got on a white t-shirt. Come on.
Yo, I'm not calling your mom right now. No.
So you gonna do it?
What, call your mom? No. I didn't say I was gonna do it for you. Jabbar, put your feet in before you break. I'm saying, put your feet in.
My 5 minutes.
I don't know what you're talking about. Put your feet in.
Like 5 minutes ahead. Like, come on.
All right, come on.
You could have been doing that in 10 minutes. I was letting you do that. It's time to go. Been out here for like 30 minutes.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Alrighty. Please don't break my car or nothing. I'm trying to be nice to you. Get comfy. You smiling in your picture. In your booking photo. You just smiling. How old am I? I'm 24.
You got kids?
No kids. And all the kids we've got to deal with. I don't want kids.
How about your boyfriend?
Nah. Not anymore.
I'm about to be your friend.
You want to be my friend? You gonna start acting right?
Central 473374.
Man, if you can start acting right, we could be friends. You gotta get your together, though. If you start acting right, we could be friends, but you've been doing too much. Last time I got with you, you ran.
Welcome to Clark County Jail.
Yeah.
How I was waiting to come here. I ain't gonna lie, I was waiting to get that one over with.
Yeah, it's a treat
I
in
ain't
here.
just gonna lie, bro. Like, with my mom for real. My mom just crazy. She bipolar. She do stuff like that. I already know when I go in front of the judge gonna read all the old cases and be like, I don't even want to talk. I already know.
He wants to be friends.
Yeah.
That's fine. Maybe once you're like out of here.
Oh, you from somewhere.
What?
You have a minute? You've been here before?
You brought me here before.
Me?
Yeah, last time.
For what?
You remember when y'all checked me through all that neighborhood and stuff? For no reason.
Well, you know, I'm chasing no one.
No, you didn't check me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Same people who called her to come get me chased.
Bye.
Why they jump out on me like that? Like,
They're the jump out
I'm
boys.
saying, no, like, bro, I ain't committed no, like,
Tomorrow, we've been dealing with you for years.
But I'm saying though, even that officer right there even know my mom.
We all know you.
Some know, y'all know me, y'all know about me, y'all know what y'all read on the white and black.
I've been out with you.
Y'all really don't know me. Y'all don't know that I go through every day. Y'all don't know how much I changed. Y'all don't know that I accomplished. Y'all don't know nothing. So y'all don't know me. Y'all just know about me. Y'all know what I read, just like I don't know about you.
God knows what in the reports.
I don't know you. I can sit right here and read this all day and say I know you, but I don't know you. Just like you thought, I bet you thought I was gonna let up on y'all when you first came, Mr. Brown, this, that, aggressive. No, Mr. not aggressive.
Alright,
So,
stop running.
You thought
Good
I was
thing.
gonna run too,
Good thing you did.
No, I ain't got nothing to run from.
So why are you here right now?
Because lies on here, because some lies with my mom. We go through this every time. We for real, that's why I got taken out of the house. Like, we go through this every time. They don't never fail. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm bet I was just moving out of state by myself.
I think you should do that.
You'll give me most trouble for somebody you love though.
Mm-hmm.
What you locked up for?
Probation violation, technicality.
You said what?
A technicality
And felony.
for felony probation.
Ain't you finna get a bond? You finna get
Hell
out?
no. I have a whole broke leg. My whole leg is, my tibia is broken 4 different places.
So I'm saying, you finna get a bond?
What?
The first one who? On my life, and it's mine. I know, right?
Kimberly, you keep changing.
100 days away.
You gained some. You're looking a lot better. You were like a stick.
Yeah, I got the bottle of water. I was like, good job.
You getting thick, girl. Triple C.
The officer receives a B, legally grounded, tactically restrained, no force used, consistent de-escalation throughout. The deduction is the 18-minute Miranda delay, a procedural gap that exposed the entire case to suppression risk. The subject receives a C+. He did not flee despite a documented history of doing so, and he did not physically resist. The deduction is 18 minutes of voluntary pre-Miranda statements covering the bag, the drugs, and his awareness of their contents. Each one a potential exhibit the Fifth Amendment would have shielded. The lessons. For officers, Miranda is a constitutional obligation, not a closing formality. It attaches the instant a reasonable person would no longer feel free to leave, regardless of whether handcuffs have been applied. Delayed advisement does not void the arrest, but it can void the statements. In drug cases built on acknowledgement of awareness, those statements are often the case itself. The better practice is to advise Miranda at the moment of custody, before any conversation about the facts of the case begins. For civilians, the right to remain silent is not an admission of guilt. It is a constitutional protection, and it only activates when you invoke it. If you are in custody, 2 sentences protect everything. I am invoking my right to remain silent, and I want an attorney. Once those words are spoken, officers are legally required to stop questioning. Everything said after that point is legally protected. Everything said before it is not. Knowing your rights is not enough. The protection only works when you invoke them, clearly and calmly, before the conversation goes any further. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.